Hey cuties! I look like trash. Stop. I'm gonna be transforming myself into an e-girl, and I have an e-girl stuff haul at the end of this when I look cute. So we're gonna do hair, makeup, outfit. First of all, we're just gonna get into the outfit right now. Much better. Let's get this hair out of the way just for now. First thing is to moisturize the skin. You wanna be an e-girl, they said? You gotta prime your face. Said no one. No one has ever said that. You wanna be an e-girl, you have to prime your face. So I don't know if this is right, but I have this stuff going on. My skin condition literally doesn't like me, so I just take concealer and conceal all the redness. And this is probably why your skin condition is showing out, because you use your finger. If it makes you guys feel any better, I just wash my hands. I feel like the warmth with your fingers just blends it in better than any beauty blender can. No offense. Foundation. E-girls have beautiful, smooth skin. So I am using the Kat Von D Tattoo, wait, what is it called? Locket foundation, not tattoo at all. I go over top of my eyelids as well to conceal. I like literally conceal everything. Next, we're gonna conceal. That's the sound of my sugar daddy rolling up. Okay, I need to get e-girl like, because e-girls don't talk like that. Like, that's Samantha that talks like that. Cool. So we're trying to have some like flawless skin, so I'm gonna put more concealer on than I normally would. And then again with my beauty blender, just blend it in. Set it. My under eyes, I need to set them like immediately after. That is how I prevent my creasing. Just press that in there. And I just take a little bit of setting powder wherever I put the concealer, just like a dot, like barely any. And then for my fine lines, what I do is I keep a straight face, which is hard, and then just press in. Like, I've got filler there before, but I feel like this just adds protection for my fine lines, because all I do is laugh all day long. Hit it with some powder all over just to make sure that it's not sticky, because I can't stand when I'm like trying to do bronzer, contour, or even like touch my face in the day and it's sticky. Like, no. Okay, so e-girl's makeup is basically blush. There's blush everywhere. However, I'm just gonna do a little bit of contour. I usually do like a lot of contour, bronzer, I contour everywhere, but I'm only gonna do a little bit, just slightly. Like, I'm not gonna do at all what I normally do. Okay, so the blush I'm choosing is a super vibrant one. It might actually be too vibrant for this, but we're fine. It's e.l.f. Pink Passion. I'm so excited to do this. I've been wanting to do this look for so long. Oh my god, this is powdery. I normally go like about here on my apples and my cheeks for blush, but you want to go high with this blush. High up and like dramatic, like so. The same thing on the other side. So like normally like where my highlight would go, we're putting blush. Up on the cheekbones. Okay, then we're gonna grab some more of this and go on the nose. And this is what I'm like, why? But this is the look, and I literally look like a clown. I love that. We're gonna go at the sides, and people like scrub this on their nose. I've heard people say you want to look like you're cold. Up on the top here, it's like on the lips right here. Cute. And you also want to hit it on your like under eye right here, which is so weird to me. So weird putting blush here. It actually looks cute. I'm in love. I'm just taking what's remaining on my powder brush. I'm just kind of softening it out. Take the actual blush on a eyeshadow brush, and we're going to put it all over the lid. Basically, you just kind of want the same pinky color all over. Me on Valentine's Day. Taking a big blending brush with no product on it, and I'm just dusting the tops to blend out that pink. You know, I just personally want some definition, so I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one right here, just a little bit. We don't want to take away from like the pink, because I feel like I look weird. Do I look weird? Everyone's like, yes. Last part of the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna take like a shimmery white and go on the inner corners just a little bit. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. I just used the Anastasia brow wiz. I'll be right back. Next, liquid liner. Liquid liner for your eyes. It goes on your eyes on the line right here. I just like pat on my liner across the top. A wing, just flick it out and then connect it. Ooh. Okay, I'm loving this blush. I might just do this every day. I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes. I just bought these today. This spaced out look is like what a lot of e-girl makeup wearers do, like Doja Cat. I've seen a few other TikTokers, but they're 213 Ardell double ups. I got these at Sally's. Now, before I put these on, I want to say that there are lots of different e-girls. It's not just one kind. And I'm gonna be honest, when I first heard the term e-girl, I thought it was a drug girl. Somebody's like, can you do an e-girl tutorial? I'm like, no, like that'll get cut, like eliminated from YouTube and I wouldn't do that anyway. But then I realized it's not that at all. I just read on here, flash glue contains formaldehyde. Okay, girl. Okay, now is the most important part, which is freckles. There's so many ways to do freckles. I think I'm gonna go with eyeshadow first, the trusty Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm doing this like pencil-y kind of brush, and I'm just gonna see. I'm like nervous, but you know what? That's what this video is. We're just trying. I'm nerve. This like dark brown. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go for it. Okay, the color I'm using is Mocha Chocolate, yeah. I do have freckles, so I'm kind of like following my, I want to say like natural freckles, but they only happen when I go in the tanning bed, which is probably not a cute look, sis. I'm like in love. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just like dotting it. Me actually becoming an e-girl. So I'm just like lightly kind of like dusting this. That looks cute. Okay, now I don't want to ruin this, but I'm just gonna like take my finger and just like pat it. Is that even doing anything? It is. It's like softening them a little bit. Okay, I'm like really in love with this makeup. So now because my lashes are dried, I'm just blending my natural lashes with the falsies mascara under here. Okay, what I'm nervous for, they always do like little hearts under their eyes and I like don't have a heart stamper. I really don't want to ruin this. Oh my God, cute, I did it. Oh my God! We are wanting very like circular lips with some liner. I'm gonna kind of bring it down right here because we want them like more like a circle. I'm overlining them too. It's just really like cartoon character-y. Okay, cute. I was gonna do some nude in there, but I like how this is like all the same pink and then this is just a little bit off. Okay, so let me know what you guys think of this makeup. Okay, hair. We're gonna brush it out. Okay, I was gonna wipe this makeup off because I have appointments today, but I'm in love. This is so me. I'm just gonna go ahead and run a straightener. I'm gonna grab this much. I'm gonna do like little pigtails here, like that. I'm like so ready to go to Hot Topic right now. Cute. Okay, and also I've got these little clips that I think I'm just gonna put in like that. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm not the best at doing hair, but okay, so this whole outfit is from Dolls Kill. I feel like that is the place where we need to be shopping right now, okay? I have these like, I don't really know what they are. These things, and then I've got these bracelets. This one has a animal cracker on it, frosted animal crackers. And then these two that say dope and nasty. I'm pretty sure I got like everything you're seeing from Hot Topic. How do you tie this? Oh, I'm dumb. We love a dumb girl. Okay, cool, so they're just gonna fall off. Like, what is this? Me mad at bracelets? And then I've got silver stuffs, okay? Yes, choke me, daddy. I'm gonna show you guys this haul now, this e-girl haul. Just so everyone knows, this is my new aesthetic. Okay, this is the first thing I got. I thought this was like super e-girl, like hi. And then, okay sis. Oh. Okay, so then I went to Urban Planet. Okay, this piece of hair is sticking up. I tried straightening it. It just went even more in the air. Fun fact, I'm actually really sick right now. So I saw these. This kind of look is in with being an e-girl. And he was like, they're 2 for $10. For some reason, my thought process was like, get the same one. I need a shopping buddy. Somebody to be like, no sis, get a different one. Why is there so much tape on here? Like, the turtles can't handle it. You know what I don't like is they're like, save the turtles. I'm like, okay, what about like the minnows? What about the... What else is in the sea? So I'm thinking, you know, like, throw them all in a knot. Oh, good. Just like layering these, doing it a little longer. Yeah, I wanted a thicker ones, but literally I went all over. I went to so many places and they like didn't sell them. I don't know what that's about, but I'm putting them on like the last ones. And my armpits are probably hairy, so just please don't look. Yes. Okay, we're getting it. Like, what was this one? Like the pearl that was lost in the Titanic? These ones look like this and they're originally $7.99. Then I found a stripy black and white shirt that is like your epitome of e-girls. I was gonna say mean girls, but e-girl. Look at this. Okay. This was $11.99, but it was on the clearance rack and I paid $2.40 for this. You could wear this as this or like layer things over top of it, which I will try on in a second here. Okay, so here is what this looks like on. I just paired it with some like pleather pants that I got from Honey Bun. I put the little necklaces out front. Or you could layer. This is my e-girl style that I used to do when I was like 14 years old. I would literally only wear this style clothing items, layering like a cute little cropped either like sweater or shirt over this. I got this also at Walmart as well, if you're wondering, this little Pikachu shirt a while back. And then I went to Walmart and I got, okay, when I was Googling e-girls, all that was popping up was like fuzzy sweaters, like big fuzzy cozy sweaters like this. So I saw one at Walmart and it was just like a pullover. So you could wear this as this with all your beautiful chains like this, and then maybe some fishnets on under here. That would look so cute. And then at Walmart, I got this little beanie. I call this a toque where I'm from, and this was only $12. Okay. Come on, right? And then the last thing I got was in the kids section, because this is an adorable look. I'm like gagged. Okay, this was in the kids section and this was $6. Pastel hair clips, and there's hearts all across them, but I'm kind of liking this vibe with the beanie. So yes, I got some cute little e-girl accessories, and I think I'm gonna start incorporating some of these things into my everyday look. How do you guys feel about the makeup? I love it. I love the blush on the nose. I love the freckles. I love everything. I love even having like a simple makeup look and putting the heart onto the side. I feel like this is so me. I love this so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this e-girl transformation and haul. I hope you guys have a great day, whatever you're doing. Comment down below if you guys have any e-girls that you guys stan, so I can go stalk them on Instagram. And while you're there, there's my Instagram. Go on to there. I'm gonna be posting some like cute pictures with this look. And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!